Stop building your Google Sheets row by row. It's 2026. If you aren't using AI to do the heavy lifting, you're working too hard. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a professional automated payment tracker using a few Gemini prompts. No manual formatting, no complex formulas, just simple AI logic. We're going from a blank screen to a self-updating system that tracks every invoice, flags overdue invoices in red, and calculates your totals automatically. Let's build it. With a brand new Google Sheet open, I'm going to come over here to the Google Gemini icon. And to get started, what I'm going to do is enter this prompt. I want Google Gemini to act like a Google Sheets expert, create a professional payment tracker table for me. I need a column for the invoice number, the client name, the amount due, the due date, the days overdue, and the status. I want Gemini to use a clean, modern header row with alternating row colors. The status column must be a drop-down menu with paid, pending, and overdue. For the automation, write a formula for days overdue that calculates the difference between today and the due date, only if the status is not paid. For the conditional formatting, I wanted to automatically highlight the entire row, light red if the days overdue is greater than 0. And I'm going to hit submit, and let's see what Gemini spits out. Okay, this table looks pretty good. There's a few things I think I can improve on, but this is a good starting point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click insert to insert this table into my Google Sheet, and there it is. There's a few more prompts I'm going to add to it to make this tracker look a lot better and have all the things I really want within this tracker. So now I'm going to add this prompt, add a drop down for pending, paid, and overdue, and I'm going to put it in cells F2 to F7 because it didn't, from the first prompt, it didn't create that drop down menu. Submit that, and that looks good. This is what I want, these drop down menus like that. That's exactly what I want. All right, now what I want is I want some conditional formatting added so that whenever I have an overdue invoice, this entire row is highlighted. I'm going to add this prompt, add conditional formatting to highlight the overdue invoices row, not bold red, but I'm going to make it light red, and hit submit. See what Gemini does. And yes, so now whenever an invoice is overdue, it will highlight it in my tracker. That's exactly what I want. Let me play around with it, make sure it's working properly. Change it to pending. Yep. Change it back to overdue. And yep. So as far as the table is concerned, the table looks really good. I want to add a couple of things down here, a couple of metrics down here. I'm going to put in this prompt. Add total outstanding revenue to cell A10. Hit submit, and that header is there, but Gemini went ahead and put a formula here. I don't want this formula, so I'm going to tell it to remove that formula. That formula is gone. I want to add a couple more cell headers. Add a total overdue invoices header to cell C10. Submit like that, but I don't like that it added this count if formula. So I'm going to have that removed. Remove that formula in cell D10. There is one more header I want added. I'm going to enter this prompt. Add paid percentage to cell E10. Okay, I'm going to enter this. I want to remove that formula. I'm going to remove the formula in cell F10. That's gone. Just going to do some formatting here. I want to make these titles bold. I hit Control B. Also want to adjust the column width. Double click. Come here, up top, double click. And I want to center those. That looks good. Come back to my Gemini icon. And I want to add some formulas here. So enter this prompt. Sum all invoices and enter that total into cell A11. Hit submit. Okay, and Gemini entered the sum function here, and it's just summing up all the total of all my invoices outstanding. Next, so I'm going to enter this function, this formula into Gemini. Sum all pending and overdue invoices, not based on the date. Let's do pending invoices and enter that total in cell C11. And there we go. So what's going on with this function? It is summing all my invoices that are paid or overdue and summing them up here. So let's just check to make sure this is right. So this is pending, overdue, overdue, pending, overdue, and that number here is the sum of that, which is the same here. So the paid percentage, I'm going to enter this prompt. Give me the paid percentage of all the paid invoices over the sum of all invoices, and enter that percentage in cell E11. And there it is. I'm gonna adjust some of this formatting. So I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna add this prompt to format cell C11 as accounting. And so I'm gonna format this. I wanna format cell E11 as a percentage to 2 decimal places. Hit submit. And there we go. Google Gemini created, I can close this out, this entire invoice tracker with just a couple of prompts. I didn't do any complicated formulas. I didn't even build the table. Going to make these bold, Control C. And what I really like about it is that because these functions are in place, if we change any of these formulas update. So this tracker is dynamic. Now the algorithm thinks you would enjoy this video next.